Hello, everyone. Before we start, I have a question for you. Why is work so important? Well, it provides a person the income necessary to meet basic living needs. Work also gives people a sense of identify and a feeling of accomplishing activities that contribute to society. It's more than just getting paid. It means being able to make your own choices and it helps us shape our personal identity. How does climate change affect the plant? Well, one of those reasons are rising of temperatures. Temperature response of nitrogen fixation is independent from the temperature response of photosynthesis, which involves enzymes made with nitrogen. Higher temperatures can make these enzymes less efficient, lowering the efficiency of photosynthesis and wasting the plant's resources. Rising temperatures are also causing growing seasons to become larger and longer because plants will grow more and more for a longer period of time. They will actually use more water, offsetting the benefits of partially closing their stomata, and this can affect the plant. And what can we do to help them adapt and strive in these kinds of situations? Well, it's simple. By watering them and placing them in a spot where sunlight is visible, and that is where the plant can grow at a constant pace. Plants. Plants get their nutrients from the soil. Soil is composed of microbes. Examples of it are bacteria, viruses, protists, and fungi. But we'll only be talking about bacteria and fungi. Bacteria can only reproduce binary fission. Binary fission is the process through which asexual reproduction happens in bacteria. During binary fission, a single organism becomes two independent organisms. Bacteria are one of the fastest reproducing organism in the world, doubling every 4 to 20 minutes. Bacteria are one of the reasons why plants can grow. It provides the necessary nutrients. Now, fungi. Fungi work by connecting to your plant's roots, and fungi essentially enters into a symbiotic relationship with your plant. This is an incredibly potent way to protect and feed your plants, and this type of relationship essentially makes most life possible on the planet. Fungi reproduce in one of two ways: asexually through mitosis or sexually through meiosis. Sexual reproduction occurs far less frequently than asexual, asexual production and usually only when necessary to adapt to an environmental change. Following a period of intensive growth, fungi enter a reproductive phase by forming and releasing vast quantities of spores. It will have a recognizable fungi growing on it just 3 to 5 days. Most vegetable diseases are caused by fungi. They damage plants by killing cells or causing plant stress. Sources of fungal infections are infected seed, soil, crop debris, nearby crops, and weeds. Plants are the longest living creatures on the earth. Some of them live for even 1,000 to 5,000 years. or more. But not all plants live the same age. Some of them even die within months. So plants are differentiated based on their lifespan as ephemerals. They live only for weeks. They germinate, grow, reproduce, and die within a few weeks. That's it, and thank you for listening.